Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Last day of May, it's May 31st, 2025, coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. Had a good day today. Forgot to do this video the other day, and there's nothing funny about this video. It's just a true story. There was a man in a restaurant that I saw with no hands. And I saw him eating his meal. And you ask, how was he eating his meal with no hands? I didn't see, all I saw was his spoon. He was holding a spoon like this. And I don't know if someone helped him, because there was two other women at the table. I didn't know if someone helped him do that, but it was the most unbelievable thing that I ever saw. And he ate fairly quickly too, which is kind of the ironic part. You would think a guy with no hands scooping from his plate would take a long time. They were in and out of the restaurant 20, maybe 25 minutes. So I didn't want to stare, obviously, but I did catch a few glimpses. And he had a spoon like between his wrists. It was the most unbelievable thing that I ever saw. Anyhow, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And you know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.